Hello everyone, and if it is your first time here, I am so glad you found us today. I am honestly excited to show you my current favorite editing sidekick that makes turning long videos into shorts incredibly simple. We used to dread the whole clip making process of cutting, reformatting, and recaptioning, which always felt like a full afternoon of work. But there is this tool called Vizard that has been doing the heavy lifting for us, and it has genuinely changed how we batch content. I want to walk you through why I love this tool, how it works, and why it might actually save you hours each week. If you have watched this channel for a while, you know we have experimented with a bunch of captioning and clip tools over time. Some tools promise a lot, but they often fall short on the actual workflow, whereas Vizard rethinks the whole long to short process from scratch. The coolest part is that it picks the moments that are actually worth reposting and gets them ready to post for you immediately. I am much more of a creator and a talker than a technical editor, so I do not want to waste my creative momentum wrestling with complex timelines. Vizard lets me stay in the content zone because it is simple, forgiving, and smart enough to handle the boring stuff for me. Let's jump into the core features we lean on, starting with the ability to auto-edit viral clips from any long video. You simply upload your recording or paste a link, and the AI instantly analyzes the whole thing for moments that are likely to perform well. It scans for strong hooks, punchy lines, and emotional beats before automatically slicing those sections into vertical ready clips for your feed. The second feature is the auto schedule function, which is a total game changer for creators who want consistent output without manual labor. You just set how often you want to post, and Vizard queues everything up automatically so you do not have to babysit a scheduler every single day. This frees you up to focus entirely on making your next long-form episode while the platform handles the distribution. The third pillar is the content calendar, which keeps everything in one place, including clips, captions, and thumbnails. Instead of jumping between 4 different apps, you can drag, drop, edit, and rearrange everything within this single dashboard. It really makes you feel like you have a professional content operations system rather than just a messy folder of random files. Let me walk you through how it feels to actually use the interface for your daily content tasks. You can either paste a public link or upload your raw file, and from there, you hit the auto option to see what the AI suggests. It usually generates a dozen or more clips from a standard sit-down recording, and each one comes with a suggested caption and perfect timing. You can preview everything in a list, and the transcript is tied directly to each clip so you can follow along as you review. If you hover over a suggested clip, you get quick actions like edit, trim, or approve, which makes the whole process feel very lightweight. I love the text-based editor where I can simply click lines of the script to add or remove sentences without dealing with waveforms. For people like me who get a little nervous around audio waveforms, this text-based trimming approach is an absolute lifesaver. There is also a really useful keyword search that helps you jump to specific moments where you mentioned certain topics or growth hacks. Another spectacular feature is the clean audio and filler removal, which lets you speed through silences or trim out awkward pauses. I always use the speed up silences option because it keeps the natural cadence while removing the dead air that makes videos feel slow. I also love the ability to add AI suggested B-roll, which you can drop in to cover jump cuts or add motion behind your captions. You can even upload your own brand assets to ensure every clip looks like it belongs in your specific feed without using professional editing software. The auto captioning has been shockingly accurate across different accents and names, which saves me so much time during the final polish. Exporting is also very straightforward since you can choose your quality, file type, or go straight to scheduling from the editor. Some subtitle-first apps are brilliant at styling but make clipping a separate, clunky step, whereas Vizard bundles all those important tasks together. If you are someone who likes being very granular, there is a manual mode where you can pick individual sentences to assemble a clip piece by piece. The topic chapters view is another feature I lean on, as it breaks your long video into segments so you can jump to specific themes. All of this is wrapped in a clean interface that does not require you to be a pro editor, which is the whole point of the tool. Keep in mind that for highly visual content like screen recordings with tiny details, you might need to be a bit more hands-on. But for talking head, podcast, or interview-style videos, it is an absolute time saver that will multiply your output. Give it a spin with one of your long videos, check the link in the description, and see how many post-ready moments you find. If you liked this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment letting me know what you struggle to edit. I will try to cover your specific challenges in the next one, so stay tuned and catch you later. Peace!